You said that using AI won't cost them their jobs is something leaders actually need to say out loud. Why?
Because people are already assuming the opposite. Every employee in your organization is watching what's happening with AI. They see the headlines about layoffs. They see the companies bragging about how they replaced their customer service team with a chatbot. They see their own boss talking excitedly about productivity gains. And they're doing the math in their heads. If AI makes us twice as productive, does that mean the company needs half of us? Until you answer that question directly, your employees are going to answer it for themselves, and they're going to answer it with the most threatening possibility they can imagine. That's just human nature. In the absence of information, people assume the worst. Here's what happens when your employees believe AI will cost them their jobs. They hide their AI use from you, and they don't share what they're learning with coworkers. They don't raise their hand when they find a better way to do something, because they're afraid of automating themselves out of a role. The productivity gains you were hoping for disappear in a fog of fear and self-protection. So I think that leaders have to break that silence. And the way you break it is by saying the thing out loud. We're adopting AI. It's going to change how we work. But here's our commitment. If AI makes your job more efficient, we're going to use that efficiency to grow, to do more, to serve more customers. We're not going to use it as an excuse to cut headcount. Now, you have to actually mean it. If you say that and then you lay off half your marketing department 6 months later, you've destroyed your credibility. You've confirmed every fear your employees had. So the promise has to be real. But if you can make that promise honestly, and I think most leaders can, saying out loud unlocks something enormous. Your people start sharing, they start experimenting, they start bringing ideas to you. They stop seeing AI as a threat and start seeing it as a tool they get to use. So organizations that get AI adoption right aren't the ones with the best technology. They're the ones where employees trust leadership enough to be honest about what they're learning. That trust doesn't happen by accident. You have to earn it, and it starts with a sentence.